Ever found yourself eyeing that perfect pair of shoes, that must-have gadget, or even just needing to stock up on groceries, but your bank balance is looking a little sad? We've all been there. It's that frustrating feeling of wanting something now, but not quite having the funds readily available. It's in these moments that buy now, pay later services like Zip Pay can seem like a real lifesaver. But the big question is, where exactly can you use Zip Pay? That's what we're diving into today. Before we get into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Zip Pay actually is. In essence, it's a digital payment service that allows you to make purchases and then pay them off in interest-free installments. Think of it as a modern-day layaway, but you get the product immediately. This can be incredibly handy for budgeting, managing unexpected expenses, or simply spreading the cost of larger purchases. Now, the crucial part. Where can you actually use this handy service? Zip Pay has partnered with a vast network of retailers, both online and in physical stores, making it a surprisingly versatile payment option. This network is constantly expanding, so it's always worth checking the Zip website or app for the most up-to-date list. Let's start with the online world. Zip Pay has integrated with countless e-commerce platforms, covering a huge range of categories. Are you a fashion enthusiast? You'll likely find Zip Pay available at many popular clothing and footwear retailers. Need to upgrade your tech? Many electronics and gadget stores accept Zip Pay. Looking to furnish your home? You'll find options there too. From big department stores to smaller boutique shops, the online possibilities are extensive. One of the great advantages of Zip Pay is its convenience for online shopping. During the checkout process, you simply select Zip Pay as your payment method. You'll then be redirected to your Zip account to confirm the purchase and set up your payment schedule. It's quick, easy, and secure, allowing you to complete your online shopping experience seamlessly. But Zip Pay isn't limited to the digital realm. It's also widely accepted in physical brick-and-mortar stores. This is where things get really interesting, as it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine being able to use Zip Pay for your groceries, at your local pharmacy, or even for dining out at select restaurants. This integration with physical stores makes Zip Pay a truly versatile payment option for everyday expenses. Think about it. You're at the supermarket, doing your weekly shop, and you realize you've slightly overspent your budget for the week. With Zip Pay, you can still get everything you need without worrying about immediate financial strain. You can simply use Zip Pay at the checkout and spread the cost over manageable installments. This also applies to other essential services. Imagine needing a prescription filled at the pharmacy but being a little short on cash. Zip Pay can provide a convenient solution, allowing you to get the medication you need without delay. The same goes for unexpected expenses like car repairs or dental appointments. While it's always best to have an emergency fund, Zip Pay can be a helpful backup in these situations. Beyond the essentials, Zip Pay can also be used for those more enjoyable purchases in physical stores. Need a new outfit for a special occasion? You can use Zip Pay at many clothing boutiques and department stores. Want to treat yourself to a nice meal out? Select restaurants and cafes also accept Zip Pay. This adds a level of flexibility to your spending, allowing you to enjoy life's little pleasures without breaking the bank. To find out which physical stores accept Zip Pay, you can use the Zip app or website. They often have a store locator feature that allows you to search for participating businesses in your area. This is a handy tool for planning your shopping trips and ensuring you can use Zip Pay wherever you go. Now, it's important to address a common question. Are there any limitations to where I can use Zip Pay? While the network is extensive, there are a few exceptions. Certain types of businesses, such as those dealing in cash advances or gambling services, typically do not accept Zip Pay. Additionally, some smaller businesses may not have yet integrated with the Zip Pay platform. It's also important to remember that Zip Pay is a credit product, and responsible use is crucial. While it offers interest-free installments, it's important to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees. Always ensure you can comfortably afford the repayments before making a purchase with Zip Pay. It's a tool to be used wisely, not a free pass to overspend. Budgeting and planning are still key, even with the flexibility that ZipPay provides. So, to summarize, where can you use ZipPay? The answer is, in a vast and growing network of online and physical stores. From fashion and electronics to groceries and essential services, ZipPay offers a convenient payment option for a wide range of purchases. Whether you're shopping online from the comfort of your home or browsing in physical stores, ZipPay can provide a flexible and manageable way to pay. It's always recommended to check the Zip website or app for the most up-to-date list of participating retailers. This will ensure you know exactly where you can use this handy payment service. Keep in mind that responsible use is key, and budgeting is still essential. Used correctly, ZipPay can be a valuable tool for managing your finances and making your spending more manageable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.